This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Kraken vs OKX, which is better. Listen closely as I walk you through fees, deposit options, security features, and the trading experience in plain language, so you can pick the platform that matches your goals and comfort level without jargon, and so you know what trade-offs to expect when prioritizing cost, safety, or advanced tools. In this segment, I compare fee structures and hidden costs in a friendly, straightforward way, highlighting maker and taker fee tiers, deposit and withdrawal nuances, and common promotion tactics. So you can estimate real trading costs for spot, margin, and derivatives trading, and avoid surprises when converting fiat or moving funds between wallets or platforms. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow and lets me make more clear, practical videos. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof containers for meal prep so I stay focused during long trading sessions, which pairs oddly well with exchange research. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Here I compare security practices and product features in a warm, conversational tone, outlining cold storage policies, insurance reserves, 2FA options, and account controls, while also describing important product differences like margin, futures, staking, and API access. So you can weigh safety versus functionality based on whether you value institutional-grade custody or broad trading capabilities for active strategies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.